Touch-ups, runs. 1. Remove runs using a sander or razor blade. If a razor blade is used, be careful and do not damage surrounding paintwork. 2. Once the runs are removed, sand the damaged spot till you reach the primer. 3. Apply the first coat of primer sealer and allow flash off. 4. Now spray the first coat of 2-pack solid colour and allow flash off. 5. Spray the first coat of 2-pack solid colour extending about 10 cm past first coat and allow flash off. A third coat may be required. 6. Now spray a blend coat. The blend coat should be applied with an almost flicking motion and consists of 90% blend out reducer and 10% colour. This coat blends the spot repair with the rest of the paintwork. The required flash off for the primers and solid colour can be found on the product's technical data sheet. After you have sprayed a blend coat, spray a layer of clear coat to complete the repair.